Oh, whoa. I really want to wear this somewhere. Like, oh, I need to go somewhere. There's nowhere for me to go, but like that I got from Fashion Nova. My favorite lip glosses. This is April coming with another video. This is a video on my first impressions of Baccarat Rouge 540. So if you're interested in seeing my thoughts on it, definitely stay tuned. So this is the box that it came in. I did already open it, but this is how it looks when it comes. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box. So yes, it just comes with the little postcard, and it says from Paris with love. I don't know if you can see it, but who cares about that. And then there's just some receipts and things of that nature. Here is the packaging here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this.
And that is the inside. So here we have a sample of Baccarat Rouge. So here's a sample of Baccarat Rouge extract. See what this smells like. That smells hella good. And then here is another sample. And then here is another sample, and this is Gentle Fuji, and this is the silver one. Let's just take a little sniff at this one. I like that too. So let's go ahead. So this right here.
So this right here is the 35 mil, and I bought this directly from the website, and it was like $115. So I believe in US dollars, once everything was said and done, I believe I paid $135, I believe, in US dollars, which is not bad. So actually I bought this as a blind buy, so I didn't want to buy the bigger bottle just in case I didn't like it all like that. So, and the reason why I did go ahead and buy it as a blind buy, because I did buy Burberry Intense, and when I bought that, it was a blind buy, and I was in love when I bought it, and I was like, if this is supposed to be a dupe, the original has to be way better. So I went ahead and purchased it the same night. And so this is how it comes. Maybe not, maybe not. Oh, so this is how it comes out. You just have to pull it up. Ooh. So that's just some paper. So this is how it looks. Ooh, that smells okay. That smells really good. Let's spray it on my skin here. Just gonna let it dry for a few seconds, and it comes out nicely. Oh, I really like this. Oh, I do like this. It does remind me a lot of the Burberry Her Intense, I think it is. Oh yeah, but this is way better. Like, I like that burnt sugary smell, and that's what I really loved in the Burberry, like that burnt smell. I know people might be like, you want a burnt smell, but it's a different type of burnt. It's not like, oh, the wood is burning. It's not like that. Oh, I like that. Oh yes. Oh yes, yes, yes. It's worth it. I got a few other things on my wish list that I want to get before I go and purchase the big bottle, because this right here will last me for a while, you know, since I have so many other fragrances. But this is well worth, and that's how it looks in the inside. Ooh. This is worth it. It's worth the $300 too. I really like that. Oh wow. Oh, this is definitely worth the price, and I can see why people love this. I think, oh wow, I already want to wear this somewhere. Like, oh, I need to go somewhere. There's nowhere for me to go, but oh, this smells absolutely beautiful. Yes, if you're interested in purchasing, definitely do it. It is worth it. It's worth it. And especially this right here was, like I say, $135. This is worth $135. I mean, you buy a lot of other like perfumes that are $100 plus. Even though, yeah, the bottle might be bigger, but this, I think, like the way that this is projecting and like how you just smell it on me, like a couple of squirts and that's it. Like that was actually 2 squirts came out and it's here. So I feel like, because I'm an oversprayer, I do overspray the majority of the time, but I feel like I could do 2 to 3. 1 just wouldn't be right for me, but like 2 to 3 and I'll be good. So this, with 2 to 3 squirts every time you use this, it's worth $135. And imagine the $300 bottle will last you a few years, because how many of us really have just 1 bottle of perfume? Most of us have 5 plus, and definitely if you really love fragrances, you have way over that. But this is getting even better on me. Like it's oh, it has like that burnt, sweet, clean, like it has that underlying freshness that's in there. You gotta get this. Well, anyways, I'm just rambling, but oh, I am so happy with my purchase. So definitely go ahead and get this. Again, it was only $135. It came from France, and it took about a week and a half. So it didn't take too long at all. It's a great purchase. So thanks again, beauties, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye, beauties.